Hello everyone, Radical Dude here, and today we're going to talk about the equation of a circle. Equation of a circle. And basically, it is all based on the distance formula. So if I take this, call it distance, I'll call this point x2, y2, and this point x1, y1. They're arbitrary. You could call it either one, first point and second point, or first, second, first, second, whatever. x1, y1, x2, y2. Well, what is the distance formula? Well, you would write it as d equals this big ass square root. Here's how I like to memorize it. I put a minus sign on minus sign. You put the x's in the first and the y's in the second. This is x2 and x1, and this is y2 and y1. That's the distance formula. So all for an equation of a circle, they use the same formula, but different letters. So I draw this. Instead of using the distance, they'll call it the radius. So it really looks like this. There is your circle, right? They'll call the center of the circle, the origin, we call it A comma B. And any point on the circle, we will use X and Y. Now, you transfer this picture into this formula right here. So instead of D, we're going to use R. Again, with the square root, put this squared and a minus, this squared and a minus, and a minus. Now, instead of x2 minus x1, we're going to use x minus a. So you put x and a. And instead of y2 minus y1, you're going to put y and b. Now, to make it a little bit more in the liking of mathematicians, they get rid of this square root by squaring both sides. So you square both sides, and they like to put this in front. So the square takes away the square root. So I have x minus a squared. Over here I have y minus b squared, and it equals r squared. That, my friend, is the equation of a circle. And this has been Radical Dude, and I hope you learned something.